Okay, here we go. Back up the hill. Come on. Let's go back up the hill. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? Let her rip. Woo. You know what? That old carpet's slowing us down. Let's move the carpet out of the way so we can go faster, okay? Now let's go again. Move it faster. You ready? Here we go. Up, all the way to the top. You ready? Let her rip. That's good. You want to do it again? Come on. Let's back up here again. Okay, here we go. Take off, buddy.